When comparing WooCommerce versus AliExpress for dropshipping, you're probably wondering which platform offers the better tools for your business. Both of these platforms are incredibly popular, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses that can make or break your dropshipping success. In this video, we'll break down both options, and at the end, I'll reveal a better alternative, so stay tuned. First off, WooCommerce is known for its versatility and customization. It's a plugin for WordPress, meaning if you're already familiar with WordPress, setting up WooCommerce is relatively easy. The platform provides a lot of control over your store's design and functionality, which is great for those who want a personalized shopping experience. But that's where the simplicity ends. While you have total control, this also means that you're responsible for everything from hosting to security. If you're just starting out and don't have a technical background, this might become overwhelming. Now, let's talk about AliExpress. It's essentially a marketplace where you can find products to sell without worrying about holding inventory. With AliExpress, you don't have to deal with website hosting, security, or most of the technical aspects that come with WooCommerce. It's plug and play for dropshipping. But here's the catch: AliExpress doesn't offer as much control over your store's appearance or user experience. It's great for getting started quickly, but as you scale, you might feel limited in terms of customization and branding. Next, let's talk about integrations. WooCommerce has a wide range of integrations with dropshipping tools, payment processors, and shipping providers, giving you a huge level of flexibility. However, not all of them are free, and you might end up paying extra for some of the better features. Plus, if something goes wrong with an integration, you'll need to fix it yourself or rely on a third-party developer, which can become expensive. AliExpress doesn't require any integrations since it's a marketplace. You simply choose the products you want to sell, and they take care of the rest. But the downside is that product data and inventory aren't always reliable, and you could run into issues like stock shortages or delayed shipments, which could harm your customer experience. AliExpress also lacks the advanced features that more experienced dropshippers may need, such as advanced reporting or customer segmentation. The fourth thing to consider is customer service and support. WooCommerce, being open source, doesn't come with dedicated customer service unless you pay for premium support. This means that if you're having trouble, you'll have to rely on forums or hire a developer. This can be time-consuming and frustrating if you're just starting out. On the other hand, AliExpress offers decent support for suppliers, but if something goes wrong with your order or customer service, you're at the mercy of the supplier. It's not uncommon to run into language barriers or slow response times, which can hurt your reputation. Finally, let's talk about the cost. WooCommerce itself is free, but as I mentioned, you'll likely end up paying for hosting, premium plugins, and integrations. Over time, it can add up, especially when you consider the ongoing maintenance costs. AliExpress doesn't charge for using their marketplace, but you're often paying higher product prices because you're relying on third-party suppliers. And if you're dropshipping low-ticket items, the profit margins can be razor-thin, which might make scaling your business a challenge. So, both WooCommerce and AliExpress have their pros and cons. WooCommerce gives you control, but requires more effort to set up and maintain. AliExpress makes dropshipping easier to get started, but limits customization and comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to reliability. Now, after trying both platforms myself, I've found a better alternative for anyone serious about dropshipping: Competitor. It offers all the best features from both WooCommerce and AliExpress, plus, it's easier to scale your business without the headaches. If you're looking for a better platform with fewer limitations, I highly recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Both WooCommerce and AliExpress are good options for getting started, but if you want something that combines the best of both worlds, take advantage of the free trial and start building your dropshipping business the right way today.